Okay, so if I click on the menu button and then 360 degrees is what I just did. If I click on facts and I hold it above the puzzle, these info buttons become available and tell you facts about New York City. This one says, smoking has been banned in Times Square and other public places in New York City since spring 2011. Anyone lighting up in defiance of the ban is liable for a $50 fine. Gee, that's not much really, is it? Let's see what else. Is it the same one? What's this one? Brooklyn, New York's most heavily populated and administrative district, was a town in its own right until 1898. Whoops. And so forth. Then if I click the bottom one here, which is photo effects, it comes up with spots where you can enter your own text. So if I, oops. Supposedly if I click on that, let's see. Okay, so you allow access to your photos, and let's say I want this photo of Bradley put there. I click on save, and I could say, "G'day from WA," because I'm so imaginative, and preview, and then that should go back to my puzzle. Oh yeah, and check that out. When it focuses, point your camera at the puzzle. Eventually it'll get there. Hang on. Oh yeah, there we go. One focus camera. So when it goes in green, that says "G'day from WA," which I typed in. And if I can focus it correctly without that light there, it'll show eventually. There we go. Bradley's photo on Times Square. How's that? Oh, that's pretty neat. Anyway, just thought I'd show yous. Bye.